So let us go to next reaction, which is SN1 reaction. After doing SN1 reaction, we will do comparison between SN1 and SN2, and we will see the conditions where predominantly SN1 can happen or predominantly SN2 can happen. Okay. Substitution, nucleophilic, unimolecular. Okay. कोई भी जनरल सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन में होता क्या है? There is bond breaking event as well as bond making event. Okay. If those two steps happen simultaneously, then we say it is SN2. अभी क्या होगा? In SN1 there are two steps. Step 1 is the bond breaking event. Bond breaking किन के बीच में हो रहा है? Between the carbon and the leaving group. So the step 1 involves ionization of C bond X bond to form carbocation. So step 1 में क्या होगा? Carbon CH2D CH3 C2H5 and Br. Is this given carbon substrate chiral? Right? If this is a chiral, can you tell me the configuration? R या S? First priority किसके लिए देना पड़ेगा? For Br?
Mean.
So this is 1. Second priority C2H5. This is 2. Third priority CH2D. ये 3. ये 4. Least priority group is viewed away from you, so no need to exchange any of the things. 1, 2, 3. You are rotating in clockwise sense, so this configuration is R. Okay. So what is step 1? Step 1 is the ionization of carbon and the leaving group bond, or carbon and halogen bond. So ये one, remove this particular Br, बाहर निकाल दो, आयनाइज करो. एंड दिस इज एन इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेप. वो बाहर आ गया तो वापस उस कार्बन के ऊपर अटैक भी करके इट कैन फॉर्म बैक द सबस्ट्रेट CH2D. So if it is ionized, you will be forming a carbocation, and we know the geometry of carbocation is trigonal planar. CH3. The hybridization is sp2 and the geometry is trigonal planar. C2H5. So you will be having a pure p orbital or a pure vacant p orbital जिनके ऊपर कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नहीं है, or else it is positively charged, plus Br minus. Okay, this is step 1. Step 1 clear है? Step 1 में क्या हुआ? कार्बन और हैलोजन के बीच में जो बॉन्ड है वो ब्रेक हुआ, एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेप इज इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेप, क्योंकि ये ब्रेक होने के बाद ये जो Br माइनस है वापस इसके ऊपर अटैक होके इट कैन फॉर्म बैक द सबस्ट्रेट. ओके, ठीक है. स्टेप 2. सो बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग इवेंट हो गया. स्टेप 2 में क्या बचा? क्या है? यू नीड टू फॉर्म द बॉन्ड. Step 2 is attack of the nucleophile on the carbocation to form the product, or I can simply write it is attack of nucleophile. Carbon है CH2D which is having a trigonal planar geometry. आप लोग मुझे सोच के बताओ, अभी ये जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, in which direction will it go and attack this particular carbocation? In this plane you have p orbital. अभी ये जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, I am taking water as the nucleophile H2O उसके ऊपर लोन पेयर है, ठीक है. सो ये जो पर्टिकुलर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है, it can go and donate its lone pair of electrons in this direction, और ये इस डायरेक्शन में भी जाके अटैक कर सकता है. So out of these two, which is more preferred? ये 1 है, ये 2 है, हाँ. Which is more preferred? First. Second, first ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Both of them are equally preferred. 50-50% probability है, because this particular molecule is planar, trigonal planar. So on a planar geometry, you can have the attack from the top side or from the bottom side. ये देखो, इसका मतलब ये जो है ये plane में है. This is going into the plane. This is coming out of the plane. Okay, and these three are planar. Okay, you are having a plane here. So इस plane के ऊपर है. So in this in the plane of the paper, you are having a p orbital. So on that p orbital, the attack can be from this particular direction or this direction. फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा ना. समझ में आ रही है ये वाला बात? ओके, और else ऐसा सोचो. ओके, और else ऐसा सोचो, ये प्लेन है, इस पर्टिकुलर प्लेन पे you are having the 3 bonds. So on this particular plane, the attack can be from the top or can be from the bottom. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? So you should not say there is back side attack or front side attack. दोनों attacks एक जैसा ही है. Okay, ये planar geometry है. इस particular plane से इस साइड से भी आ सकता है, उस साइड से भी आ सकता है. क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? Is this clear? इस plane में वो 3 bonds है, trigonal planar. Okay. So there is equal probability of attack from the direction of 1 as well as from 2. दोनों साइड एक जैसा ही होगा. So there will be 2 different products. अगर if you are having an attack according to 1, then you will get product something like this, CH2D. यहाँ पे जाके H2O लगेगा. I am also writing H2O लगते ही क्या होगा? It will become OH2 positive. I am removing one H positive. Everyone, I am writing this as, after the attack, there is also removal of H positive, and this will convert into OH. Is this clear? Any doubt? और बचा हुआ bonds, अभी वो अटैक होने के बाद this particular, ये C2H5 right? C2H5 इस साइड ड्रिफ्ट होगा, and CH3 it will be still into the plane, but वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो था अभी राइट हैंड साइड पे आया. Is this clear? The other product will be carbon, CH2D, you have CH3 here, C2H5, इस साइड जाके OH लगा. What is the relation between these two compounds? This is according to 1, this is according to 2. What is the relation between these two compounds?
Enantiomers.
Very good. They are mirror images of each other and they are enantiomers. Very good. Enantiomers. And can I say this will be formed 50% and this will be formed 50%? So what is 50:50 mixture of enantiomers? What is it called? So you are forming racemic mixture. You are forming racemic mixture via SN1 reaction. Initially, देखो, you are starting with a pure chiral compound, okay, which will be having some optical activity. At the end of the reaction, what is happening to the optical activity of the mixture? Zero, na? Okay. So you are converting a chiral compound into a achiral mixture. I'm not saying achiral compound, it is an achiral mixture. Okay? आया समझ में? इस केस में क्या हुआ? SN2 के केस में क्या हुआ? इनिशियली अगर वो chiral है तो बाद में भी वो compound या mixture भी chiral ही रहेगा. But you cannot say if it is dextrorotatory, the formed product will become levorotatory. It can be dextro as well as levo, क्योंकि यहाँ पे Br है, यहाँ पे OH है. But SN2 reaction, SN1 reaction के case में I can say if initially the carbon is chiral, if there is some optical activity, at the end of the reaction, the optical activity will be nullified because of formation of racemic mixture. Is this clear? Okay?
Yes.
ठीक है. इसी पर्टिकुलर केस में एक बार इनका कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस भी लिख लेते हैं. This is chiral, this is also chiral. यहाँ पे this will be 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1 2 3 कैसे घुमा रहा हूँ एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. सो दिस विल बी S. ये वाला ये ऐसा हो गया तो ऑब्वियसली दिस विल बी R. सो इनिशियल जो रिएक्टेंट है वो R है ना, ये वाला S है ना. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड कैन आल्सो बी कॉल्ड एज इन्वर्शन प्रोडक्ट. उस रिएक्शन होने के बाद this is the inversion product and this is called as retention product. Same configuration mila. This is retention product. Okay. Okay, let us write some important points. There are two steps involved. The first step is ionization of C bond X and the second step is attack of nucleophile. Out of these two steps, which step is the rate determining step? Second step. Okay, second step Gauri ने कहा. Gauri, can you tell me why is second step rate determining step? Gauri, why is second step rate determining step? फिर से स्टेप देखना है तो देखो. किस किस को सेकंड स्टेप लग रहा है? How many of you think the second step is the rate determining step? Okay, Ashutosh, तूने फर्स्ट स्टेप करके कहा रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप. व्हाई इज दिस?
सर क्योंकि सेकंड स्टेप में कार्बोकैटायन है तो आयोनिक जो रिएक्शन होती है वो सब फास्ट होती है ना.
ओके ओके ठीक है, सही है. देखो, in general how to determine if it is a slow step or fast step. If it is converting from a stable compound to an unstable compound, it will happen very slowly. कोई भी चीज अनस्टेबिलिटी ऐसे ही मतलब मुझे चाहिए अनस्टेबिलिटी करके नहीं होगा. और डिसीजन के लिए बहुत टाइम लगेगा. ओके, सपोज आप लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, पढ़ाई छोड़ देना है, मुझे कुछ पढ़ना नहीं है, वो डिसीजन लेना it will take lot of time. You cannot मतलब आज सोचा डिसाइड किया नहीं पढ़ना, कल से नहीं पढ़ रहे, पूरा बंद. ओके. दूसरा क्या है, आप लोग कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे, you are getting education. कोई ऑफर कर रहा है आप लोग को एजुकेशन, you need to take that particular decision. इट विल हैपन इमीडिएटली ना, जल्दी ले लेंगे ना, ठीक है, कल से पढ़ लूंगा, मे बी आप लोग के लिए उल्टा होगा वो, ठीक है, बट इन जनरल if you are getting stability, that particular step happen quickly. If you are forming an unstable compound, उसके लिए ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. Step 1 देखो, in step 1 I am converting a neutral species into a charged species. Okay, charged species is unstable, right? इसका octet भी break हो रहा है, इसका initially 8 electrons था, अभी 6 electrons हो रहे हैं. So you are converting a stable compound into an unstable compound. So this particular step happens very slowly. दूसरे स्टेप में यू आर कन्वर्टिंग ए अनस्टेबल कंपाउंड इनटू ए स्टेबल कंपाउंड. ये जो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्पीशी है, आई एम कन्वर्टिंग दैट इनटू ए न्यूट्रल स्पीशी. सो ये जो पर्टिकुलर स्टेप है जल्दी हो जाएगा. मोरओवर दिस इज लाइक आयनिक रिएक्शन, आयन है, जैसे आशुतोष ने कहा, वो बात भी सही है. सो दिस स्टेप विल हैपन वेरी फास्ट. ओके, सो आउट ऑफ दीस टू स्टेप्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज द रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप. And you will in general write the rate of the reaction with respect to the rate determining step. So the first important point is it is two step reaction. SN2 में क्या हुआ? It is single step reaction. In SN1 it is two step reaction. What is the first step? Step 1, formation. Whenever you are forming a carbocation, you should always see for rearrangements. इस पर्टिकुलर केस में ऑलरेडी वो 3 डिग्री कार्बोकैटियन है, ऑलरेडी मोर स्टेबल है, सो रीअरेंजमेंट नहीं हुआ. बट इफ देयर इज पॉसिबिलिटी फॉर रीअरेंजमेंट, स्टेप 1 में होगा क्या? फॉर्मेशन एंड रीअरेंजमेंट ऑफ कार्बोकैटियन. हमने रिएक्शंस देखा है ना, कार्बोकैटियन रीअरेंजमेंट्स, हाइड्राइड शिफ्ट, मिथाइल शिफ्ट, वैसा rearrangement of carbocation, and this step is the rate determining step, RDS. What happens in step 2? Step 2 is fast step, which is attack of the nucleophile. Attack of nucleophile, which is a fast step. How to write the rate of reaction? Rate equal to, in the rate determining step there is only alkyl halide, so rate will be equal to K into concentration of Rx. What will be the order? What is molecularity? 1. Order is 1 and molecularity is equals to 1. And you are forming the product as racemic mixture. The product is racemic mixture. Okay? ठीक है. एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं आप लोग को, थोड़ा सोच के बताना. Does the extent of racemization depend upon the nature of leaving group? Does the extent of racemization depend upon the nature of leaving group? मतलब क्या है? Will you have 100% racemic mixture? मतलब क्या है 100% racemic mixture? क्या मतलब क्या है? You need to get 50% R and 50% S configuration. ये हमेशा होगा क्या? ये कब होगा? ये आइडियल सिचुएशन हो गया. आइडियल सिचुएशन मतलब इधर से जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है इधर से भी उतना ही प्रोबेबिलिटी होना चाहिए. ओके, आप लोग को क्या लग रहा है? विल देयर बी 100% racemization always, or will it depend upon the leaving group? It depends upon the leaving group, क्योंकि देखो ये तो बाहर चला गया, मानता हूँ ये पहले स्टेप में ये दोनों के बीच में बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो गया एंड दिस हैज गॉन अवे फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर कार्बोकैटायन. But if it is a poor living group, this will be in the vicinity of this particular carbocation. जिस साइड से लीव हो रहे उसी साइड से अटैक करने के लिए रिलेटिवली it will be difficult when compared to the opposite side. क्योंकि लीव होने के बाद भी थोड़ा विसिनिटी पे ही रहेगा ना, even though it is a planar geometry, because of the presence of Br minus and its negative field in this region. If it is a poor living group, if it is good living group, दूर चला जाएगा, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Okay, so if it is a poor living group, the backside attack will be more when compared to the front side attack. Okay, the backside attack will be more when compared to the front side attack. In that case, ये 50-50% बनने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. This can be 60% and this can be 40%, or this can be 70%, this can be 30%. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? But for all problem solving purposes, if they are separately asking this question, you say that it may not be 100% racemic mixture. The backside attack can be greater when compared to the front side attack. But अगर वैसा कुछ option नहीं है तो always say it is racemic mixture. For all problem solving purposes, we will consider ideal situation where we will be having a racemic mixture formation. Okay. So in this case, I can write the answer as S. It depends upon the nature of living group. It depends upon the nature of living group. If living group is good, both the inversion and retention happen equally. However, if living group is poor, inversion will dominate. Over retention. And product mixture is, in this case, you will have optically active product, right? 100% racemization nahi hua. Product mixture is optically active. Okay. Next point.
सर
React. Yeah.
से बताएंगे, मेरा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था.
Reactivity order of Rx. कुछ नहीं कहा मैंने. I'm saying that if the leaving group is poor, in that case, यहाँ पे देखो, if the leaving group is poor, ये बाहर जाने के बाद भी इसके vicinity में ही रहेगा. So the nucleophile, rather than attacking on this particular direction, it will prefer more and more its attack on the opposite side, back side. So इस side पे जाके attack करना थोड़ा कम होगा when compared to this side. So the inversion product will be more when compared to the retention product. Okay. Whenever you are disconnected in the middle, if the next topic is not related, please go through the video. क्योंकि बाकी क्लास को डिस्टर्ब मत करना. Please go put extra effort and go through the video. Reactivity order of Rx: 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, or CS3X. What will be the order of reactivity? What is the order of reactivity among 3 degree, 2 degree, and 1 degree? you need to analyze this based on the rate determining step. What is happening in the rate determining step? You are forming a carbocation. If the carbocation formed is relatively more stable, तब ये जो particular step पे वो भी जल्दी होने का chances है. If the carbocation that is being formed is very least stable, okay, in that case वो carbocation बनेगा क्या जल्दी? नहीं. So you need to compare the order of reactivity based on the carbocation formation. Carbocation की stability order क्या होगा? 3 degree greater than, 2 degree greater than, 1 degree greater than methyl. So what will be the order of reactivity? 3 degree greater than, 2 degree greater than, 1 degree greater than methyl. Okay. Or for all practical purposes, ये जो CH3X methyl halide और 1 degree है ना, we will never consider SN1 reaction for them because 1 degree and CH3X का carbocations are least stable. कभी वो करवाएंगे ही नहीं. Okay. Similarly, for all practical purposes, 3 degree के साथ SN2 नहीं करवाएंगे क्योंकि SN2 में बल्कीनेस इतना ज्यादा होता है, SN2 नहीं हो पाएगा. Okay, so with respect to substrate, I can clearly identify which will undergo SN1 and SN2. 3 degree will always prefer to have SN1. 1 degree and methyl will always prefer to have SN2. समझा? 2 degree जो है वो बीच में है. It can sometimes undergo SN1, sometimes undergo SN2. Then we will need to comment based on other conditions. ठीक है. Do this question, everyone. CH3, CH3,
Sir.
CH3, Br, CD3. कुछ डाउट है अमान?
सर
या
हाँ सर, सेकंड स्टेप है ना, सेकंड स्टेप रिपीट कीजिए ना, समझ में नहीं है.
ये कौन बात कर रहा है?
मैं आदित्य बोल रहा हूँ सर.
ओके, कौन सा सेकंड स्टेप आदित्य?
एसएन में
ये वाला?
हाँ सेकंड स्टेप.
अटैक ऑफ न्यूक्लियोफाइल.
हाँ सर.
अभी फर्स्ट स्टेप होने के बाद हमारे पास इंटरमीडिएट क्या बना? This is called as intermediate. This is not the final product. The intermediate is carbocation. Carbocation is sp2 hybridized. ये जो particular carbon है, it is attached to 3 different groups. And carbon के outermost shell में positive charge मतलब 3 electrons है. All the 3 electrons are participating in bonding. So it will be sp2, or it has trigonal planar geometry. So if you are having a trigonal planar geometry on the planar molecule, the attack on the planar molecule, the attack of nucleophile can be from the either directions. इस डायरेक्शन में भी अटैक कर सकता है, इस डायरेक्शन में भी अटैक कर सकता है. इस डायरेक्शन से अटैक किया तो जो बॉन्ड इस साइड बनेगा, मतलब यहाँ पे दिखाया देखो, इस साइड से अटैक किया तो बॉन्ड इस साइड बनेगा, so OH इस साइड दिखाया. Okay, so there is possibility of 2 different types of attacks leading to 2 different types of products, and both
Yes.
these products are mirror images of each other, hence they are called as enantiomers. जो भी आइसोमेरिज्म का लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं किया है आदित्य,
हाँ,
YouTube
सर.
में आइसोमेरिज्म के लिए एक सेपरेट प्लेलिस्ट है मेरे चैनल में. प्लीज गो थ्रू ऑल दोस वीडियोस, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मेंट बाय एनांटियोमर, ऑल
हाँ,
दोस
सर.
थिंग्स. ओके,
हाँ सर.
the question here
Thank you,
is, I have given you 2 different substrates, substrate 1 and substrate 2. You need to tell me the reactivity order in SN1. Reactivity order in SN1. Tell me.
2 greater than 1.
2 greater than 1. Okay. Zoya, why is this?
वो मतलब CD3 जो है वो ज्यादा रिलीज करेगा ना इलेक्ट्रॉन, मतलब D greater than H होता है ना.
Okay. You need to compare based on the stability of the carbocation. First से ये बनेगा carbocation, second से CD3, 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 ये वाला पॉजिटिव. आउट ऑफ दीज टू कार्बोकैटायंस विच इज मोर स्टेबल?
सेकंड.
सभी लोग को सेकंड लग रहा है? आउट ऑफ दीज टू कार्बोकैटायंस विच इज मोर स्टेबल? Second is not more stable, first is more stable. Even though CD3 is having a more plus A effect, you need to compare based on hyperconjugation. C bond H, C bond H bond strength. C bond H bond strength is lesser than C bond D. So ये जो C bond H जो है, it can participate more effectively or more easily in hyperconjugation CH2 positive when compared to C bond D. Double bond CD2 positive. Okay. So this will be more effective when compared to CD3. Okay. मानता हूं मैं आप लोग ये इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट के हिसाब से CD3 ज्यादा होना चाहिए ऐसे लग रहा होगा, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन CH3 वाला जो भी है सबस्ट्रेट that will be undergoing reaction at a faster rate when compared to CD3. Is this clear? Very important question. मोस्ट कॉमन है. मैं आप लोग को कार्बोकैटायंस का स्टेबिलिटी कंपेयर करवाते समय भी सेम क्वेश्चन दिया है. You should not blindly compare based on inductive effect. You need to compare based on hyperconjugation first. As C bond H is weaker, hyperconjugation will be more effective leading to more stability in case of 1. Clear? Is this clear? Okay. Let's go to comparison between SN1 and SN2. Comparison between SN1 and SN2. Are you making your own notes after the lecture?
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
First comparison based on nature of leaving group. लीविंग ग्रुप के केस में हमने पहले भी एक पॉइंट बात किया, वीकर इज द बेस, बेटर इज द लीविंग ग्रुप. और जो लीविंग ग्रुप का कैसे देखना है बेस्ड ऑन द बेसिक कैरेक्टर. वीकर इज द बेस, बेटर इज द लीविंग ग्रुप. कोई भी रिएक्शन देखो, SN1 देखो या SN2 देखो, इन बोथ द रिएक्शंस यू आर ब्रेकिंग दैट C bond X और C bond लीविंग ग्रुप. ओके. सो अगर वो जो पर्टिकुलर लीविंग ग्रुप अच्छा लीविंग ग्रुप है तो द ऑर्डर ऑफ रेट ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी इन केस ऑफ बोथ SN1 एंड SN2 विल बी मोर. दोनों के लिए ज्यादा ही रहेगा, है कि नहीं? ओके. सो लीविंग ग्रुप के केस में द रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर, सपोज इफ यू आर टेकिंग हैलोजेंस, alkyl halides, reactivity order, you are having substrates RF, RCl, RBr and Ra. Which is a better leaving group? Which is a better leaving group?
Ri.
RI.
I minus, because HI is the strongest acid, I minus will be the weakest base. So what will be the order of reactivity? RF lesser than, RCl lesser than, RBr lesser than Ra.
Br minus greater than Cl.
Okay. As basic strength order, F minus is greater than, Cl minus is greater than, Br minus is greater than I minus. What is this? This is the order of basic strength. Okay. What is the general point, general statement? weaker the base, एक मिनट, weaker the base, better is the leaving group. Okay, so what is the leaving group tendency? Leaving group tendency is I minus greater than Br minus greater than Cl minus greater than F minus. Okay, this is true for both SN1 and SN2, क्योंकि दोनों केसेस में मुझे वो बॉन्ड ब्रेक करना ही पड़ रहा है, for both SN1 and SN2. क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, do this question. Mark the order of leaving group tendency. Mark the order of leaving group tendency. A, OH minus, B, CH3, CH2O minus, C, CH3, COO minus. What is the order of leaving group tendency? Answer?
C greater than B greater than A.
C greater than,
greater than 1.
sorry?
B greater than B. C greater than B greater than.
The answer is C greater than A greater than B. The order of acidic strength is carboxylic acid. कितने बार बोलूं मैं? H2O is greater than alcohol. If H, so what will be the order of basic strength? RCO minus will be less than OH minus will be less than RO minus. Weaker the base, better is the leaving group. So C greater than A greater than B. It is not C greater than B greater than A. और इसमें इतना आसान है. CH3CH2 is electron releasing group. ये जो नेगेटिव चार्ज है वो नेगेटिव चार्ज का और बढ़ाएगा. जितना ज्यादा बढ़ाएगा उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस होता जाएगा ना. अनस्टेबल होता जा रहा है. So answer is C greater than A greater than B. Next point, comparison based on stereochemistry. मतलब in case of SN2, the final product is an inversion product or there is stereochemical inversion of bonds. Stereochemical inversion, and if the product is chiral, that particular inversion is also called as Waldner inversion. In case of SN1, there is formation of, in general, there is formation of racemic mixture. Okay, third point. Nature of nucleophile. Important है. Nature of nucleophile. What is happening in SN2? SN2 में हो क्या रहा है? The nucleophile is not waiting. देखो, the nucleophile is not waiting for this bond to break. जब ये आता है या जब ये ब्रेक हो रहे उसी टाइम पे that OH minus is going and attacking on this carbon, or else the nucleophile must be strong. Whenever this is starting to leave, this carbon is achieving partial positive charge. That partial positive charge is sufficient for this particular nucleophile to go and attack on this particular carbon. Or else I can say, in order to have an SN2 reaction, the nucleophile must be strong. It is not waiting for the formation of carbocation. Without the formation of carbocation only, it is going and attacking on this particular carbon. Okay. So in order to have an SN2 reaction, you need to have a stronger nucleophile. उल्टा SN1 reaction में क्या है? The nucleophile has to wait. वो जब sufficient positive charge देखेगा कार्बन के ऊपर तभी जाके अटैक करेगा. Or else the nucleophile must be weak. If the nucleophile is strong, it will simultaneously attack. If the nucleophile is weak, it will wait for the formation of carbocation. Okay. In general, what are weak nucleophiles? All neutral things are considered as weak nucleophiles, right? Except NH3. What are strong? All negatively charged are considered as strong. So in the reaction, if you are seeing a negatively charged nucleophile, आप लोग का सोच किसके ऊपर जाना है? SN2. If you are seeing a neutral nucleophile, आप किसके बारे में सोचना है? SN1. आया समझ में? Okay. So stronger nucleophile will not wait for the formation of carbocation. Immediately after seeing partial positive charge, it will go and attack on the substrate. So with respect to nucleophiles, nature of the nucleophiles में strong nucleophiles will have SN2. Strong nucleophiles मतलब क्या क्या लेना है? Negatively charged along with NH3. Okay. Weak nucleophiles. इनके साथ आप लोग को SN1 करवाना है. In general, neutral, all neutral things except NH3 are considered as weak. मतलब if you are seeing CH3O minus, इसके साथ क्या करवाएंगे? SN2. If you are seeing CH3OH, इसके साथ क्या करवाएंगे? SN1. Similarly, CH3COO minus, SN2. CH3C double bond OH, SN1. OH minus, SN2. H2O, SN1. इसलिए आप लोग ऑब्जर्व किया है तो जब मैं SN1 रिएक्शन समझा रहा था आप लोग को, I have taken the nucleophile as H2O. इधर भी OH minus के साथ दिखा सकता था मैं. When I have taken SN2, in that case I have taken OH minus, negatively charged. That is based on that particular reason. Okay. एक मिनट, give me. हमको और एक चीज देखना है. The graph for SN1 reaction. We will go to comparison again. Let us understand the graph of SN1 reaction. In SN1 reaction, how many steps are involved?
2 steps.
2 steps. So this is again energy or enthalpy with respect to progress of reaction. Progress of reaction. If you are having 2 steps, you need to have 2 transition states. So first there will be formation of intermediate, which is a carbocation. That particular carbocation will react to form final product. Okay, this is transition state 1, this is transition state 2. These are reactants, these are products. Reactants पे आप लोग के पास there is Rx plus the nucleophile in the first transition state, or else initially there is only, यहाँ पे मैं Rx से दिखा रहा हूँ. In the first transition state there is bond breaking between R and X, partial positive, partial negative. Then you have R positive that is reacting with the nucleophile to form a bond between R and NU, partial positive, partial negative. Finally, you are having RNU. Okay. Plus, you can say that you have X minus. Okay. So this is a typical graph for SN1 reaction. SN2 reaction के लिए there is only one transition state and there is no intermediate. In this case, you are having an intermediate and the two transition states. Okay, let's go back to the comparison. Clear है nature of the nucleophile? Next, structure of alkyl halide. Structure of alkyl halide. इसमें दो पार्ट्स में पढ़ेंगे. If they are specifically saying what is the order of reactivity in case of SN2 with respect to the nature of alkyl halide, what will be the order? It is CH3X greater than 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree. Reason for this? It is based on steric hindrance or bulkiness. Okay. If they are asking about SN1, specifically mentioning what is the order of reactivity in case of SN1, then it will be 3 degree greater than, 2 degree greater than, 1 degree greater than CH3X. This is based on carbocation stability. Okay. ये हो गया whenever they are specifically mentioning what is the order of reactivity of the alkyl halides in an SN2 or in an SN1. But कभी-कभी होता क्या है? They will simply ask order of reactivity in substitution reaction. Order of reactivity of Rx in substitution reaction. इस पर्टिकुलर केस में क्या करना है? You need to give the overall order. In general, overall order में होता क्या है? The rate, some molecules will undergo reaction according to SN1 and some molecules will undergo reaction according to SN2 na? So the overall rate is combination of these two. Okay. So उस पर्टिकुलर केस के लिए एक्सपेरिमेंटली ऑब्जर्व किया तो there is a graph, very important. You need to remember the order for the order of reactivity in general substitution. No. Actually, I'm plotting log rate with respect to different substrates. CH3X 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. ये जो CH3X जो है, एक मिनट, let me draw the graph first. this is the curve for SN1 and this is the curve for SN2. देखो, if you are taking CS3X substrate, the rate with respect to SN2 इतना है, वही substrate with respect to SN1 इतना है. Okay. If you are taking 1 degree B, most of the molecules are having very good rate with SN2. With SN1, very less number of molecules are undergoing, and with respect to that, the rate is this. With SN1 for 3 degree देखो, most of the molecules are undergoing SN1 and the rate also with respect to SN1 is more. 2 degree बीच में है, with respect to SN1, SN2 दोनों का rates दोनों coincide हो रहे. Okay. So from this graph, what can you say? What is the overall order of reactivity for different substrates? 3 degree का rate सबसे ज़्यादा दिख रहा है आप लोग को? Everyone in the lecture?
हाँ सर.
Yeah, 3 degree का rate देखो सबसे ज़्यादा है. इनको मार्क करता हूँ. ये 3 degree का है. ये 1 degree के वजह से there are combination of 2 rates, but overall देखा तो ये वाला points consider करेंगे. 3 degree का सबसे ज़्यादा, उसके बाद methyl CS3X. After that you have 1 degree. After that you have 2 degree. This is the general order of reactivity in substitution reaction, which is combination of both SN1 and SN2. If they are not mentioning anything about SN1 and SN2 separately, if they're asking what is the order of reactivity in substitution reactions, you need to mention 3 degree greater than CS3X greater than 1 degree greater than 2 degree. 3 degree सबसे ज़्यादा क्यों आ रहा है? Because SN1 reaction is like ionic reaction. All ionic reactions are fast reactions. Okay, उसके बाद CS3X हो रहा है because this can undergo SN2 reaction at a faster rate. Okay, 2 degree बीच में रह गया. वो SN1 भी अच्छे से नहीं हो पा रहे, SN2 भी अच्छे से नहीं हो पा रहे. समझ में आया? Okay, so I can say SN1 ये सबसे ज़्यादा है as it behaves like an ionic reaction. ये 2 degree के केस में 2 degree neither has stable carbocation nor less sterically hindered. एंड ये जो क्वेश्चन है, ये जो पर्टिकुलर पार्ट है, बहुत बार रिपीट हुआ है जेई में एज वेल एज नीट में. दिस ऑर्डर, ये वाला ऑर्डर तो सब लोग को पता है, SN2 SN1. ये वाला ऑर्डर थोड़ा याद रखो. 3 degree greater than methyl greater than 2 degree greater, sorry 1 degree greater than 2 degree. Is this clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. ठीक है, यहाँ तक करते हैं. We will continue in tomorrow's lecture. Thank you everyone. If you are having any doubts, please go through the notes